from this to this right after this.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another hair video. Today I will be cutting my client's second install into an asymmetrical bob. But before we begin, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. So when we first started her first install, this is 24 inches. She wore it for about a month. And she wore it long, so now she wants something different. So we're gonna install. I washed it, deep conditioned, and got it prepared. So we're gonna install it again, and this time we're gonna cut it into an asymmetrical bob. So that's what I'm about to do. And as you see, her back will be shorter than her front. I always cut my asymmetrical bobs, the tips that go in the front, I always cut them to the back so that it falls very asymmetrical to the front. So you will see that the front tips of her hair will always be brought to the back, but there's a method for that madness, as you will see. All right, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
I've been itching, something's missing, feel left drifting, and I've been wondering where I could visit. Booked a ticket, cause I miss it, got me wishing that we were on a vacation to the places, the secret places no one used to go but us. Like the nape of your neck and that scar I love to touch. I know you love to relax at the small of my back, swim through my fingers, get lost in my mind. I've been itching, something's missing, feel left drifting, and I've been wondering where I could visit. Booked a ticket, cause I miss it, got me wishing that we were on a vacation. Who do you do it for? What do you do it for? Just the applause, wanting it all, say what you want. Need a big stage, wanting the lights, needing the fame. I know you're working hard, don't wanna take a break. Every second you waste, you count it up and count it up again. Counting it up and counting it up again. Yeah. Asking will I make it, pray before the day ends. I wanna see my name in lights, have them scream my name, and I wanna live right. I know it's my time, stopped at a red light. I'm tryna go. If I can't have it all, then I don't want it. If I can't have it all, then why am I trying? Why am I? Why am I trying? Why am I? You wanna party with me? I wanna get my mom everything. You wanna ride with me? Want you all just to be proud of me. I know you're working hard, don't wanna take a break. Every second you waste, you count it up and count it up again. Counting it up and counting it up again. Yeah, I know a lot don't make it, but that doesn't really faze me. Leave it all up to me. I'm writing up all my dreams, writing up all my, pulling up to the scene, telling you what I mean, what I mean. I wanna live right, I know it's my time. Stopped at a red light, I'm trying to go. If I can't have it all, then I don't want it. If I can't have it all, then why am I trying? Why am I? Why am I trying? Yeah, running you up a back, giving you this and that. I promise you the whole world, gonna give all that I have back. Asking me where I've been, taking all that you give, handing me everything. Tell you I wanna live, I wanna live. Why am I? I wanna feel. Why am I? I wanna give. Why am I? I can't sleep, tossing and turning, body yearning and craving something I have never tasted, but think about on a regular basis. Let's face it, you got me open,
You know what's up.
and you know it. I wanna show it. Body language of words unspoken. Wanna be fluid, I'm ready to do it. So come over as soon as your shift is over. 'Cause I'm waiting, come touch me, come taste it, don't waste it. Yeah, you've been so patient. It's yours, you want it, now come and take it. We can have a heart-to-heart, then get body to body. You don't have to try too hard, 'cause boy, you got me. You don't have to ask me twice. You know it's on my mind. I wanna fall into you, wanna fall in too deep. Baby, it's all for you, come and fall into me. I want to go all the way. I want you, baby. I want you. Show me what it feels like. Baby, it's alright. I wanna give it to you. I want you. So give me all your love, 'cause I can't get enough.
When I close my eyes, I just fantasize about you all night. The things I want, I can't describe.
Let's go deeper than the surface. Nervous, butterflies twist like cursive. But I wanna lose control, undo me. Give it to me nice and slow, just do me.
Hurry, come faster.
I'll let you inside like passwords. Precipitating in anticipation. Palpitating, hot syncopation. I would like if you come to spend the night or two. You're the first one to ever have me. 'Cause I want you so badly.
We can have a heart-to-heart, then get body to body. You don't have to try too hard, 'cause boy, you got me. You don't have to ask me twice. You know it's on my mind. I wanna fall into you, wanna fall in too deep.
got me so excited.
Gotta have it, yeah. Gotta have it. Gotta have it, yeah. Walking like I'm feeling myself. I just hit the Heisman like I'm posted on the shelf. Cha-cha, samba, dancing like a contest. Sicko with the moves, I wish them well. Can you dip like I did? Can you surf the wave from the trip? Keep your grip, now rock the ship. Say goodbye, love, don't move your hips. Let me see you shake it, I'm open, low in the pista. Watch me while I sway it, I won't fake it, let's go salsa. Por tiempo. Por tiempo. Por tiempo. Por tiempo.
Top of the wall, baby.
Por tiempo.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. Like I say, I bring the hair to the back to show you how perfect the symmetric is on the tips, the wings, and when she stands up, her hair is just going to fall perfectly to the front, which I didn't record because I was busy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I promise I'll get the full tips the next time I do it. I want to thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Te miré y me di cuenta que andas solita. Te me pegué y bailamos esta salsita como si estuviéramos en PR, mamacita. Ay, yeah. Sigue siendo lo